Good morning, students. This is Professor Kiran Poddar, Department of Mathematics, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. Today, in this session, we are going to discuss obtaining a Laplace transform of the given function. That given function is t square into sine 80. T square into sine 80. So, we are going to obtain the Laplace transformation of this t square into sine 80. If you see, if there would be plus or minus in between these two terms, would have applied Laplace transform directly. And we know what is the Laplace transformation of t square and the Laplace transformation of sine 80 independently. But here, since it is a product of these two, then how to obtain the result and how to obtain the Laplace transform from these two? For that, very first, what to do? We should understand which property is applicable for this. For this, the property which is very much suitable is derivative property. So we'll write down the derivative property. What it says? It says Laplace transformation of t raised to n into f of t, which is equal to minus 1 raised to n into d raised to n by ds raised to n into f bar of s. So here very much essential thing is we need to understand what will be f bar of s from the given example. What will be f bar of s from the given example and what is required to consider first. Means what? In this we can see there are two terms. One is t square, another one is sine 80. But as per the derivative property, t square will be fixed term, f of t will be maybe any other function. Means t raised to n is like a t square where n is equal to 2. Here n is equal to 2. And f of t is what? Other function. So for that what we do? First I'll be considering f of t is equal to what? That is nothing but sine 80. Fine. Then if you know what is f of t, then what else is required? F bar of s is required. What is f bar of s? Finding Laplace transform of the given function. That is f of t is equal to f bar of s. Then how do you get? We get Laplace transform of f of t. What is f of t? Sine 80. So that will be treated as the Laplace transformation of the function. Right. So this is equal to, what is sine 80? Laplace transformation of sine 80, that is a standard function that we know that, which is nothing but a divided by s square plus a square. Therefore, our f bar of s is ready. Fine. N is equal to 2. Therefore, as per the derivative property, then it will be written as L of t square into f of t. F of t is nothing but sine 80, which is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 because n is equal to 2. From where we have taken n? From here, t raised to the power. So here t square means n is equal to 2. This into d square divided by ds square because n is equal to 2. Therefore, this into f bar of s. What is f bar of s? A divided by s square plus a square. Fine. Therefore, how do you write this again? Minus 1 square means plus 1. Okay. So this is gone. So the d square by ds square will be written as d by ds of a divided by s square plus a square. Fine. Therefore, Laplace transformation of t square into sine 80 is equal to d by ds. 1 d by ds will be kept as it is. It will be differentiated further. But right now I'll be differentiating the given f bar of s with respect to s once inside the bracket. What it says? It says square of the denominator, then denominator into differentiation of the numerator, that is a with respect to s will be 0 minus numerator into differentiation of the denominator with respect to s is 2s. Therefore, this is nothing but d by ds of s square plus a square into 0 will be 0. Then it becomes minus 2as. Minus 2as divided by s square plus a square the whole square. Fine. Next it will be differentiating this result once again with respect to s. Then what happens? Square of the denominator, that is s square plus a square the whole square, then denominator, that is s square plus a square, into differentiation of the numerator, that is differentiation of 2as with respect to s will be minus 2a, minus numerator, that is minus 2as, into differentiation of the denominator with respect to s. But we need to understand here the denominator is s square plus a square the square, means here what happens here? It becomes 4. Fine. So here differentiation of this s square plus a square the whole square will be what? 2 times s square plus a square, that into differentiation of s square is 2s. Fine. Therefore, which is equal to, now you take s square plus a square common from numerator. If it has been taken, s square plus a square is been taken as a common term from numerator, then inside the bracket it will be minus 2a, minus of minus plus, then 2 into 2, 4 into 2, it will be 8. Here denominator is s square plus a square the whole square, means here it will be square again. So this is square cannot be taken, only I will be taking s square plus a square outside, then minus 2a into s square plus a square, one term remain as it is, then minus of minus plus, then 2 into 2 into 2, it will be 8, then as square. Fine. This divided by s square plus a square raised to 4. Fine. Then from here what to do? We will be simplifying this as s square plus a square into here minus 2a into s square, that is minus 2a s square, then minus 2a cube plus 8a square, this divided by s square plus a square raised to 4. Therefore this is equal to s square plus a square, one s square plus a square get cancels from this, then in numerator 2 minus 2a square plus 8a square, this is 6a square minus 2a cube divided by s square plus a square the cube. Therefore this will be treated as, this can be taken as, from here what I do, I will be taking 2a common, then what happens? It will be 3s square minus a square divided by s square plus a square raised to 3. So this is the solution for Laplace transformation of t square into sin 80. Thank you.